Minasan, konnichiwa, Urushali desu. And today we are going to learn basic Japanese vocab. Today we are going to learn about different seasons in Japan. Nihon ni kisetsu ga yotsu arimasu. In Japan, there are 4 seasons. Let's see which 4 different seasons are there in Japan. How do you call them in Japanese? Okay. The first is Haru. Haru, spring. Next one is Natsu, summer. Haru, Natsu, Aki. Autumn is Aki. And Fuyu. Winter is Fuyu. In spring, you get to see beautiful sakura. That is, all the trees will be like flooded with these flowers. Beautiful cherry blossom. Then in summer, you can see the beautiful view of Mount Fuji, or this is the picture representing the summer in Japan, Natsu. Then Aki, you can see beautiful autumn leaves, red colored leaves, and believe me, it's like mind-blowing view. And Fuyu is winter. Sometimes you experience snowfall in some of the regions, but it's very cold. Fuyu. So Haru, Natsu, Aki, Fuyu. Now, how will you remember? Aki, you can remember it from the word Akka. Akka is red, right? Akka is red. So from that, you can remember the season Aki, which is autumn. Okay. Natsu, maybe from Natsuyasumi. Natsuyasumi is summer vacation. Can you remember that from Natsu? Natsuyasumi. So Natsu is summer. Okay. Fuyu, winter. Fuyu, you're feeling cold, winter. And Haru, spring. Okay. Hope this helps you to remember these seasons. Haru, Natsu, Aki, Fuyu. See you in the next video. Thank you.